Alright folks, welcome back to Bare Bones Workshop. Just in case you guys thought this was just a wood shop show, it's not. It's a workshop. Half this shop's going to be wood, the other half's going to be metalworking. I got a 1972 Mach 1 Mustang that I got to do a lot of work on, so on this episode, I kind of want to take you guys back a year, maybe a year and a half, I can't remember. I was wearing something different on this hand when I did that one. But I built this Vise anvil stand, and I wanted to bring you guys back and show you how I built that. Here it is. Hope you guys enjoy this flashback.